Hi everybody, so Rick is going to weld his diff so he can start to race. That's what he's doing right now. Oop, I almost dropped the camera. I just got off work, so I went and grabbed us some food, you know, because I'm hungry. And he needed some lighting, and I told him I wasn't going to come back, but you know me, I'm such a nice person, I came back. Let's get up there, guys.
Where's the pliers?
Pliers? I don't know if I can see
red
them.
ones.
I don't see them. Oh, all the way over there. Here, I'll get it. I'll get it. He's using our welding machine right now, guys. Here you go. See this little cute little boo-boo? Cute as a button. Look at that, eh? Look at all this garbage. And guess who has to clean this up? Me. Look at your fat head.
Fuck, Matt, I have to do this.
Ooh.
I don't think you should look.
There we go, guys.
Damn.
Where's your wet towel? He's welding his diff right now, guys. Is it welding good with the new extension cord?
Yeah.
It is? It's not clicking in and off? And Rick's not wearing his gloves. We got a new extension cord because last time we tried to weld, it was not doing great. So we got this baby. Very nice, eh? Yeah, that's what we got.